Hello, boys and girls. Today, we're going to have some fun with the alphabet. Are you ready to learn your ABCs?
This is the letter A. A is for apple. Apple starts with the letter A. Apple. Can you say up? This is the letter B. B is for ball. Ball starts with the letter B. Ball. Can you say B? This is the letter C. C is for cat. Cat starts with the letter C. Cat. Can you say C? This is the letter D. D is for dog. Dog starts with the letter D. Dog. Can you say D? This is the letter E. E is for egg. Egg starts with the letter E. Egg. Can you say E? This is the letter F. F is for flower. Flower starts with the letter F. Flower. Can you say F? This is the letter G. G is for grapes. Grapes starts with the letter G. Grapes. Can you say G? This is the letter H. H is for horse. Horse starts with the letter H. Horse. Can you say H? This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream starts with the letter I. Ice cream. Can you say I? This is the letter J. J is for juice. Juice starts with the letter J. Juice. Can you say J? This is the letter K. K is for kick. Kick starts with the letter K. Kick. Can you say K? Lollipop starts with the letter L. Lollipop. Can you say L? This is the letter M. M is for monkey. Monkey starts with the letter M. Monkey. Can you say M? This is the letter N. N is for numbers. Numbers start with the letter N. Numbers. Can you say N? This is the letter O. O is for orange. Orange starts with the letter O. Orange. Can you say O? This is the letter P. P is for popcorn. Popcorn starts with the letter P. Popcorn. Can you say P? This is the letter Q. Q is for queen. Queen starts with the letter Q. Queen. Can you say Q? This is the letter R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit starts with the letter R. Rabbit. Can you say R? This is the letter S. S is for sun. Sun starts with the letter S. Sun. Can you say S? This is the letter T. T is for tent. Tent starts with the letter T. Tent. Can you say T? This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella starts with the letter U. Umbrella. Can you say U? This is the letter V. V is for vampire. Vampire starts with the letter V. Vampire. Can you say V? This is the letter W. W is for watermelon. Watermelon starts with the letter W. Watermelon. Can you say W? with the letter X. Xray. Can you say X? This is the letter Y. Y is for Yoyo. Yoyo starts with the letter Y. Yo-yo. Can you say Y? This is the letter Z. Z is for zip. Zip starts with the letter Z. Zip. Can you say Z?